Hello, everyone.
Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps us a lot. And thank you.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday night.
Friday night.
Friday night.
Tonight, it's fun night home.
Fun night home.
Tomorrow, fun night outside.
Wow, they
This is the
both
decision we
repeat
made tonight.
each other.
بعد سنين في الغربة شافوني قالوا لي جاي ايه من ايه من برا. Brit, who's the queen? Bye-bye, queen. One channel. Somebody know the channel Queen Nader Elshamy, whatever it was calling herself?
Nader Queen Elshamy. No, Queen Nader Elshamy.
Somebody know this channel?
Or maybe not in here. But...
And I'm asking the people.
Oh, you want to know? Do you hear? Is Queen Beauty the Queen? No.
No.
That would be Baba.
Too far. Too far. That's a misunderstanding. Somebody watch this channel? Say you guys in the chat.
Anybody knows Queen Nader Elshamy's channel?
Channel was doing just my live stream and in her subtitle here to watch Nader Elshamy live stream. You don't need to give him the views and this kind of hate.
And even to try to get the ads, so the ads don't show up on your videos. And
Yes, yeah, she would. Yeah. Huh? Don't you know me? That I know you?
No, I don't think anybody seems to know who she is over here.
Good that nobody here knows her. But for the people who know her, go check her channel. Huh?
Okay, so you're gonna have a hard time.
I had the garlic full. Queen. So Queen, by the way, it's wrong way that to take other people's work and to put it in your channel. You don't work for it, just to not to get views, but using the word full of hate. Make channel, making money. Me. You don't do nothing, just put
No, what she's doing is taking your lives and putting them on.
Yeah, put just bad thumbnail, bad name, call me name, and go click my live stream record.
Yeah.
No talk, no work, nothing. Stealing other people content. Actually, I find it so easy. I contact somebody from YouTube, say what's going on, what I need to do, how many, all the channels just me, no content.
Yeah.
I choose what to use my content, 100% using my content, 36, one click,
100%, 1 click, yeah.
45 minutes, she's gone.
The channel is gone.
Why?
For those of you out there who use 100% of somebody's content and you don't actually have a...
And actually for these people looking for easy money, looking for easy money, his description was bad, all of it. I'm here, all his live stream, all his videos, just if you guys don't watch him, don't give him views, hey, using my content, and you don't want the people to give me views once you give it to you?
That's not right.
Wake up. So now, you start as a channel, I come react on me.
Yeah.
At least you're gonna react. But too bad, because you record your videos, spending your time. time. Stand up and do you. Start, she was making
I was
like
actually very shocked.
20 views, 30 views, 50 views. I was letting her go. I did okay,
Yeah,
okay, for a couple months. Now I check, in the same time in live, she 1,000, 1,600.
And actually people were
Now enough.
People were coming in your chat saying to go to her.
Yeah. Now you go to her now.
Francesca Lopez, hello.
Hi Francesca.
Yeah, Japanese tonight for dinner. Ooh.
Epa. Now, this is extra if you want to use it or no. Don't chicken bouillon.
What bouillon?
Chicken bouillon.
I think it just adds flavor, why not?
Yeah.
Charlotte, a lot of these reaction channels are becoming too sensationalized. Too much hearsay and drama. Everyone thinks they're good. Yeah, but this person,
She don't know nothing. Nobody knows her voice. She don't type one word in the live stream.
Yeah.
I'm here, she's there recording. Don't give him the views, come give it to me. Which right?
Love you, treasures, and I'll see you on the next one.
And come on here guys, don't give him the views.
Remember, you're all beautiful.
That's the nerve. It's not your content, it's mine. Stand around.